In this video, I'm going to show you some lesser known places in the eastern part of Bangkok. I'm here at Rangkam Soi 105, about to explore the first location. The airplane graveyard. This is a pretty random attraction, but quite unique. Looks like it says Orient on that plane. There was a fire here not too long ago, and the plane over there is pretty burnt out. Go across this sketchy looking bridge. Made it. Look at this. Airplanes. Or one family. It's interesting. This airplane graveyard is pretty cool. I walked in there a little bit, and the family that lives here approached me. They wanted 200 Thai baht for me to take a look inside the plane. This is the Sansep Canal, just behind the airplane graveyard, and the last stop on the boat service. I think there's a pier over here. COVID-19 baht to the old part of Bangkok. There's a boat getting in position right now. Wat Sri Boonrueng, the last stop on the Sansep Canal boat service. E22 goes to W4. Gotta find a way to get out of here to get to Rangkam Road. This way looks promising. Apparently there's a floating market down Rangkam Soy 187. Let's go see. It's a lot of pigeons. There's a dinosaur. Wat Bampenua, Minbury District, Bangkok, and also the site of Kwan-Riam floating market, which is closed due to COVID-19. I'm gonna walk to the right to the next bridge. Nice here. Very nice. Doing some construction there. This is like under normal conditions. You can take a boat trip down the canal. There's some flamingos inside in a cage. Statue of some kids reading books. And yeah, they got this closed off. Can't even walk across the bridge. What are these? Some kind of weird chickens. I'm gonna head this way. There's the sign for Kwan-Riam floating market. Look at that, there's 2 cows on the temple grounds here. Interesting. Can feed them if you give a donation. Once I cross this bridge, I'll be in Sapan Sung district of Bangkok, my 49th district. And hopefully I can get to 50 today. So I crossed the bridge from Minbury district and I'm in Sapan Sung, which means high bridge. This is Minbury Market. It's like a very big market. My second vehicular transportation of the day. Took a bus already. Actually, number 113 up there. And now I'm on a Songtao heading from Minbury to Nong Chok. Can't believe this is Bangkok. It feels like I'm in the south of Thailand right now. Very cool. Super local market here. Similar to Malaysia. Lots of food here. Yellow chicken with a drumstick from this stall for 25 Thai baht. I love this area, it's awesome. Got some dumplings there also for 30 baht. Very cheap compared to other areas of Bangkok. Cup. Nong Chok district. The last district that I have not visited in Bangkok. Now I've got all 50 districts. The people are so friendly here too. Love it. I can't believe this is Bangkok. Rice fields. Wareephirom is closed due to COVID-19. There's some abandoned houses along the road here. Very overgrown. No windows. This is Nong Chok, Bangkok. My last district of the 50 districts in Bangkok. I did it! Made it to every district in Bangkok. The Nong Chok Clock Tower. Look at the designs in this Chinese temple. Great artwork. We're through here. Nong Chok Post Office. Nong Chok Police Station. Straight ahead. Now I'm taking this song towel back from Nong Chok to Minbury. This is part of my journey on the way home. I'm the only one on this song towel, as you can see. 8 Thai baht for the ride back to Minbury. And I'm going to end this video here. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you're notified when I post future videos. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.